Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the LoopNet Real Estate app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. LoopNet is a commercial real estate platform that allows users to search, list, and manage properties on the go. The app provides detailed property information, photos, floor plans, and market insights, while also enabling direct communication with brokers and property owners. It supports saved searches, alerts for new listings, and portfolio tracking for investors or business owners. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate LoopNet for its intuitive interface, powerful search filters, and access to extensive commercial property listings. Investors, brokers, and business owners find the app convenient for monitoring market trends, managing portfolios, and exploring investment opportunities without needing a desktop. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some features require a premium subscription, which may not be affordable for all users. High-resolution images and extensive listings can sometimes load slowly, and certain analytics and portfolio management tools are more limited compared to the desktop version. Availability of listings may also vary depending on the region. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the LoopNet Real Estate app may be worth using if you're looking for a reliable mobile tool for commercial property search and management. It excels in convenience, search customization, and access to market data. However, if you need full analytics or the most comprehensive listing coverage, the desktop platform may better suit your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.